Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the ban evasion detection feature on Twitch, meaning that when this feature is enabled, potential ban evaders will be detected and flagged for moderators to review them. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on channel and then scroll down and tap on this customize channel button. Here you should click on settings in this left side column, and within settings you have the moderation subcategory, so tap on it and go to the suspicious users controls section and tap on the first one, ban evasion detection, where you can set two features. Likely evaders can be either restricted or monitored. If you tap on this button, you can select one of these options, and possible evaders can also be restricted or monitored. So tap on the relevant one and then click on the save button down below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.